People create outstanding products to enrich our life with creative imagination, and at the same time it reinforces human beings to step forwards toward future technology. GMMA plays a very important role to produce these quality products with high technology and precision machinery. For years, GMMA has committed in developing and producing all kinds of high-speed machining centers. Our machines can satisfy all the customers by remarkable features such as accuracy, processing speed, cost performance, which all meets the international standard. We are confident to be a reliable partner for our customers. GMMA originated in 2006 from the parent company Alpha Auto Machinery Company Limited, based on the demands of customers. With years of experience and resources, GMMA can provide machines with excellent performance, stable quality and in-time service. With the resource and assistance from Alpha, GMMA can immediately control every single demand and feedback of each product. We keep improving our technology and try our best to make every machining center as perfect as possible. These excellent products come from superior equipment, strict production, rigorous quality control, and outstanding employees. GMMA has invested heavily in world-class processing equipment to establish a solid foundation for product quality. GMMA is seeking for distinguished corporate values. Therefore, we continuously challenge ourselves for breakthrough and drive to excellence. For accuracy and easy handling enhancement, the high-performance control system and high-rigidity shaft of machining centers are assembled with international brand parts. High standard quality control of GMMA starts at the very beginning, when each part is moved into storage to make sure the whole process meets the international standard. Besides using advanced detectors, the most important thing is that every department has the same goal in mind. We do not accept and produce defectives. We do not allow defectives to reach the market. In this way, GMMA can guarantee the machines we sell are of the best quality. Knowledge is power to move forward. Besides regular training, GMMA seizes every opportunity to train employees, to transfer and accumulate knowledge for the strengthening of operations and development. Reputation establishes brand. Service creates recommendation. With our parent company, Alpha's global service offices, GMMA can provide timely and exclusive service to customers. Active service became the most competitive advantages that make GMMA succeed quickly in such a competitive market. The goal of GMMA is to become a century-old company. The original intention of establishing GMMA was that we want our experience to contribute to the industry, providing customers with excellent products and services. Nowadays, GMMA not just produces good quality and high-efficiency machining centers, but also earns trust from our clients. In the future, Gamma will rely on professional technology to take root and develop precision machinery to become a world first-class brand.
中国市场很大，在中国市场做这个 CNC 绝对有前途。中国第一就世界第一。